Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the Artistic Girl and today I'm going to do a video in which I'm going to give my sketchbook cover a makeover. So I'll be using washi tape, black chart paper, but don't worry, all the stuff that I'll be using in this video is going to be in my description box below. So let's get on with the video. So this is my original cover. I'm going to take a scale. I'm going to take the measurements of this box, which I want to hide with my black chart paper. And the measurements are a little bit confusing because they're in decimals. And the rectangle is not really perfect, but it doesn't really matter because I can use a lot of other stuff. So I'm going to paste it with gum and I'm going to put a pen stand on it to give a little pressure to it because I used a little bit less gum. That aside, and I'm going to take my scale again and I'm going to measure the part I want to cover with another piece of black chart paper. Now the black chart paper I'll be sticking here, it's going to have very jagged look, a very vintage scrapbooking type feel. Like I don't want to give it straight lines because it's not going to, because this little feature that it has roughed up lines, it's going to look very crafty. And now I'm going to use this little black chart paper and I'm going to stick it onto my sketchbook cover with, again, gum. Now I'm going to take white gel pen and I'm going to write the word sketchbook on it. I'm going to add little doodles of sparkles, dots on it to, kind of decorate the little box. And then I'm going to use washi tape. As you can see, I'm seeing whether I want a pattern one or simple ones, and as you can see I'm choosing just simple ones and I'm choosing blue, kind of light green and yellow. So I'm going to go about this in the rainbow pattern. As you can see, I put blue at the bottom just like in the rainbow. Blue is below green and green is below yellow, and the same pattern I'm using to decorate my sketchbook cover. I'm going to take scissors to cut out the edges which are sticking out of the sketchbook cover because I want to give it a very uniform look. I don't want it to look really messy. Now I'm going to use white gel pen to write "Be creative, be imaginative," which is kind of like my motto for being an artist. And then I'm going to make the first letters of the words more prominent. And I'm going to add stars, I'm going to add curved lines, I'm going to make the dots more prominent, stuff like that. Now I'm going to use a pink sketch pen and I'm going to give that sketchbook box kind of like an outline, kind of like a glowing effect. And even though it came out to be purple, it was kind of good too. And with the Be Imaginative box, I used purple sketch pen. So my sketchbook cover went from this to this, and I hope you liked how my sketchbook cover changed, and I hope you liked the video too. And this was my first attempt at voice recording and I hope you liked it too. If you do, then please like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps a lot. And I'll be seeing you next week because Saturdays are the days I upload the next video. So stay tuned.